In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly compare two high-end laptops to find the best choice for your needs. I'll start by heading to the search bar and typing in a detailed prompt to compare the latest MacBook Pro M5 Max against the 2026 Dell XPS 16. I'm asking for a specific breakdown of CPU and GPU benchmarks, real-world battery life, current pricing, and thermal performance to see how they handle a video editing workflow. Once I click the search button, Perplexity immediately begins synthesizing information from various technical sources. As the results are generated, I can see that the M5 Max leads in multi-core performance and power efficiency, while the Dell XPS is noted for its high-end display and Windows-based versatility. To get even more specific, I'll move to the follow-up box at the bottom. I'm asking for an analysis of recent user reviews from Reddit and tech forums to uncover any common complaints or hardware reliability issues from the last few months. After I submit the follow-up, the AI summarizes the latest user sentiment, revealing specific feedback like performance inconsistencies in early batches or thermal throttling during long rendering sessions. By using Perplexity this way, I've completed a deep dive into two complex products in just a couple of minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.